Got an 8BI file and want to add new functionality to Photoshop? This is a Photoshop plugin extending the application's capabilities. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install and use these Adobe Photoshop plugin files. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade 8.bi file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. A user searching for 8.bi is trying to install a third-party filter, effect, or feature into Adobe Photoshop. This file is a plugin that extends Photoshop's native capabilities, allowing for new image manipulation tools, import, export functions, or automation scripts to be added directly to the application's interface. An 8.bi file is a compiled binary library, e.g., a DLL on Windows, that adheres to the Adobe Photoshop SDK. It was designed as a modular way to extend the software, containing executable code that hooks into Photoshop's filter menu and image processing pipeline, allowing it to receive and return pixel data for manipulation. Your first application to test with 8.bi should be Adobe Photoshop from Adobe Systems Incorporated. The proprietary indexing requires careful handling to avoid critical file system errors. Windows offers restricted visibility, so interacting with the plugin depends on compatible software. The quickest way to solve this is testing. Right-click your 8.bi file, then choose Open With. You should start with Adobe Photoshop if it's installed. If not, try another option, as some programs are better suited than others. When your 8.bi file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Now, it boils down to just 3 possibilities. We've prepared a simple list detailing these common culprits and the steps to verify them. First, installing in Photoshop. Copy the 8.bi file to Adobe Photoshop's Plugins folder, typically located in the Photoshop installation directory under Plugins. Restart Photoshop, and the new plugin becomes available in the appropriate menu, usually under Filter or File, depending on the plugin's functionality and registered location. Next, configuring plugin settings. After installation, access the plugin through Photoshop's menus, typically under Filter or one of the format-specific submenus. Each plugin provides its own dialog for parameters and settings. Configure options as needed and apply the plugin to your image or workflow as designed by the developer. Finally, verifying plugin compatibility. Ensure the 8.bi plugin is compatible with your Photoshop version and platform Mac or Windows, along with 32 or 64-bit architecture. Older plugins may not work with current Photoshop versions. Check the plugin developer's documentation for supported Photoshop releases before installation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.